Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer Brussels sprouts with maple syrup. Let's begin. We have here 1 pound of Brussels sprouts already cut up. All you have to do is just cut off the stem and just cut in the middle. And remove some of the extra leaves on the outside. And same thing, cut off the base of the stem of the Brussels sprout and cut in the middle. And remove the outer leaves. And that's it. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, mix them all around. Looking good. Add some salt to your preference. We're just going to add just a little bit. There you go. Okay, everything is nicely mixed up. We're going to put the Brussels sprouts to the side and we're going to prepare the sauce. We'll need 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1, 2, 3. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and lastly 4 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stir everything all together. Looking good. We're going to put this to the side. Next, we're going to put in the Brussels sprouts. Before we put in the Brussels sprouts, I put in some aluminum tin foil. The aluminum tin foil will help us clean up the sauce easier after we're done. We're going to take the 1 pound of Brussels sprouts and pour it in. Spread it out. This is what it looks like before we put it in. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to turn it to 380 degrees for a total time of 15 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 6 minutes so far. We're going to toss them around. And now let's put it in for the last 9 minutes. Okay, it's been a total time of 12 minutes at 380 degrees. Let's pour in the sauce. We're going to pour in the sauce. There you go. We're just going to mix them around a little bit. Looking good. We mixed it around with the sauce. And now let's put it back in for the last 3 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 15 minutes at 380 degrees. Let's take it out. It smells great. I'm going to take it out and put it on a plate. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer Brussels sprouts with maple syrup. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.